Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another unboxing. This one is an Instagram on buy from Batman Beyond Comics, I believe. I say I believe because I'm recording this on my phone and I can't double check, so I very much apologize if I got the name wrong. I will correct it the best I can if I am. But if you're watching this, but they got it from Instagram, Batman Beyond auction. So let's open her up and see what she is. So being a Batman Beyond auction, I got a lot of Iron Man, obviously, from him. No, being a Batman Beyond, I got a lot of Batman Beyond stuff. My favorite Batman. Alright, getting there. Okay. Wrapped in good shape. Not the way I would have sent books exactly, but you're still taken care of good. I have a good habit of, shall we say, overkill. You know, I always tend to say that there's no such thing as overkill. So it's just something that's done correctly. So that's just me with my books. So, you know, I might go a little bit too much protection, but I don't think anyone ever complains about too much protection unless you're a kid with a helicopter mom or parent. Alright. This is a free book that was thrown in. Batman Rebirth #1. It's kinda cool. Alright. This is part of a lot. Oh, a pair of 3 books, so Batman Beyond 31. First, Splint, I believe, was the villain's name. This is Batman Beyond #11 from the DC Rebirth. The new Demon's Head, Damian Wayne. Batman Beyond DC Rebirth #9. Batman Beyond #4. Batman Beyond #5. A kind of a creepy cover of Batman Beyond #7. Still don't quite get that face. Batman Beyond #8. And Batman Beyond of the current volume issue number 25, the variant cover. A play on the homage to the other. I know there's another Batman cover with other Joker's heads like that. So it's the first appearance of Elena Grayson. You know, Dick Grayson, Robin's daughter, and she becomes the first Batwoman Beyond. So, some spine stress. Some spine stresses, but no big deal. Definitely he has it listed as a fine plus to a VF, so I would agree. It's very cool. And that is all she wrote for the Batman Beyond auction on Instagram. So Batman Beyond Comics, I believe. So cool guy, cool auction, and a bunch of cool stuff. So thank you for watching this unboxing. Stay tuned for the next show. Talk to you guys later. Happy collecting and stay safe.